If you're self-employed, a business owner, an entrepreneur, this video is for you. Or if you have clients who are self-employed, get excited because what I'm about to go over can add a ton of value to your clients. I love this. It's not so much a secret anymore, but getting approved for a mortgage as a self-employed person can be complicated. Why is that? Well, to get a traditional loan, banks can only qualify someone based on the income that they're paying taxes on. And if you're self-employed, you may write off a lot of your expenses to reduce your taxable income. Okay, so here's what typically happens, and this just happened a couple days ago. I spoke to a new client, we'll call her Blanche, because why not? Blanche is an entrepreneur, she has multiple businesses, and she is killing it. She tells me that she's making about $1 million a year. Great. So she submits an application, she sends in her tax returns, and what we saw was not pretty at all. Her returns were showing a loss of $200,000. So needless to say, getting a standard loan was not in the cards for her. Banks are simply looking at those returns and seeing a $200,000 loss. Thankfully, we can help Blanche and people like Blanche because we have a bank statement program which helps self-employed people who have multiple businesses or complicated tax returns and people who are taking advantage of tax write-offs. So how does this program work? It's simple. We take 12 to 24 months of bank statements and we see the cash flow going into someone's business and we derive an income based on that. We don't look at your tax returns at all. We don't want to see them. Get them out of here. We just look at the bank statements. And based on that, we can derive an income. There are several different formulas that we can use based on someone's business, but that's it. Again, we're not looking at the tax returns at all. If I seem excited about this program, you should see our self-employed clients that we've worked with who have taken advantage of this program. Most of them go from thinking the only way to own a home is to pay all cash. And to do that, that would require them to liquidate stocks or pull money from their business, which otherwise could be used to grow their business. Now we're coming to them and saying, you can continue to use tax write-offs to lower your taxable income. You don't need to liquidate all of your holdings and you don't need to pull money from your business. And oh, you can own real estate too. So this is the ultimate have your cake and eat it too program. So if you're self-employed or if you work with self-employed people, please feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching.